Hello students, welcome back to your grammar session. Now today we will start with our chapter number 21, that is antonyms and synonyms. But in today's session we will only see about the antonyms. Now first of all, what are antonyms? Okay, you have already learned this thing from pre-primary section and also in grade 1, 2 and 3, and now again it is in a grade 4. So first of all, I would like to tell you what are antonyms. The words that are opposite in meaning to each other. Okay, each other meanings opposite होते हैं, that is opposite words. Okay, such words are called antonyms or opposite. Okay, opposite words आपने पढ़ा होगा प्री प्राइमरी में, grade 1 और 2 में. Okay, and 3 also. So the opposite words are called antonyms. Okay, examples are rough and smooth. Okay, see rough surface कैसे होता है, rough and smooth, so that is opposite. Okay, opposite, rough का opposite smooth. So the bark of the old tree was rough and the paint glided over the smooth surface of the wall. Okay, so this is one example of antonym. Now formation of antonyms. Now antonyms of some words can be formed by adding prefixes and suffixes to them. Okay, now some of them have entirely different word as they are antonyms. Okay, so with formation of the antonyms we can use by using prefix and by using suffix. Now by using prefixes is we always add that pre, means before the word. Okay, so by adding il. Okay, the car was parked illegally. il. Okay, अगर il निकाल दिया तो क्या हो जाएगा, legally. So legally का antonyms opposite क्या होता है, illegally. Okay, so by using prefix il we can make the sentence, we can make the word antonym. Okay, उसका जो है opposite word बना सकते हैं, जैसे legally का illegally. Just we have to add il before the sentence. Okay, before the word. Now one can solve problems by illogical reasoning. Again illogical. What is the opposite of illogical? Logical. Okay, what we did is we just added il before the word logical. Okay, by adding ir. Okay, by using prefix ir. And irresponsible attitude creates problem. Irresponsible का opposite words क्या होता है, responsible. Okay, responsible and irresponsible means, responsible means जो जिम्मेदारी लेते हैं वो, and irresponsible means जो नहीं लेते हैं वो. See, दोनों क्या हो गया, opposite एकदम हो गया है. What we did is we just added ir, prefix ir before the word responsible. The same way the bell rang after irregular intervals. Okay, irregular का opposite क्या होता है, again regular. So what we did, we just added ir prefix before the word regular. By using suffix. Okay, always remember suffix is always added at the end of the word. Okay, सिर्फ suffix change करने से क्या हो जाता है, वो word का meaning change हो जाता है. Okay, it becomes antonym. For example, the first example, the money can be usefully spent on new books, means usefully means उसका कुछ अच्छा सा use किया है. Okay, and second example is what a useless waste of resource. Now useless means कुछ काम का नहीं होता वैसा. Okay, so see what we did is fully means full fully and less less, that is both suffix. By just changing the suffix the word changes its meaning and it becomes opposite, useful and useless. Now they are opposite words. Okay, they are antonyms. Now one such other example is we are hopeful about her winning the competitions. Okay, hopeful means हमें ऐसा hope है कि वो competition जीतेंगे. Now they both went for a seemingly hopeless quest to find their lost dog. Okay, now hopeless means कुछ काम नहीं आने वाला. Okay, so this hopeful and hopeless. by just changing the suffix full and less becomes the opposite word, becomes antonym. Okay. And the last is by using a word that is opposite in meaning, means कुछ connectivity नहीं रहती है, just we can change the meaning. For example, innocent and guilty. Okay, the first example is it is unfair to punish the innocent for something that they have not done. Okay, innocent means जिसने कुछ नहीं किया हो ऐसा. Okay. And the second example is the guilt expression on the face of the thief indicate that he was lying. Okay, guilt expression कब आता है? जब हमने कुछ किया हो सच्ची में और वो expression आता है. Okay, so the thief ने जो है क्या किया है? चोरी की है, and that is why the guilt expression was on his face. So the antonym of innocent is guilt. Okay. Thank you.